Sunny and welcome back to my channel. I'm waiting for those who don't know me yet. Yeah, because I'm in the office. Well, I'm in the bathroom because it's in my medicals today. It's a Thursday morning. I'll write some more. It's a Thursday morning. We have medicals today, and they caught me off guard. In as much as that's still earlier in the week, I think on Monday they sent an email. The communication to there's going to be medicals today, but I didn't expect it now because I have a lot of things to catch up on. Okay, it is what it is. Let me show you guys my outfits before Scala. I'll show you guys what I can and what I am allowed to show you. Outfit of the day. My hair is drawing close today, but I've had this mist for like 4 days now, so it makes sense. Starts out just a Friday and keep her. I need to wash my hair, my short hair. I need to wash my hair and to at least free hand in my line, because currently it's a state of emergency underneath this. But anyway, it doesn't matter something. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I was doing my laundry. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, this is a mess. Sure. And I was having such a great start to my day. Such a great start to my day until meeting me Fagi Space off. Then I'm just like, what is going on? Kantina, what I did, ne? Let me just. Oh. Let me do laundry so that on Saturday I don't have to stress about laundry. Oh, sure, it's a good plan. I do that. Oh, I think I'm still in shock. So it's gonna be a bit hard for me to re-up on this. I'm genuinely still in shock. I wonder what I'm my pants. So I do my laundry, right? So Umshinwam doesn't sit in one place, right? When I use it, I move it to closer to where I'm a pipe and all of that. Because what the hell is going on? Oh, you know what? I don't think I'm ready to talk about this. I'm too distraught and it's got like this could have happened at any time of the day, not now. Genuinely not now. Sana, I'm so bored. But anyway, let me just get my shit done and be like, I'm not even gonna continue doing it because I'm get distraught, so distraught. Alrighty. I'm annoyed. Oh Sana, I'm gonna leave everything as it is. Wow, what am I gonna do? Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Getting on tapping for those who don't know me yet, and to my returning subscribers, I'm back again with another vlog, and today I'll be doing my hair. I don't know if it's a maintenance vlog, but I'm just gonna be doing my hair. Nails I did already last week, as you would have seen in my last vlog, and get DIY, so period. DIY girl is up. Let me stop rambling. I need to go get bundles because I'm going to be doing a sew-in. I have to try curls. So in the menu for today, I need to go to Dragon City to get bundles for the hair, for the hairstyle I'll be doing today. And then I have a hair relax appointment at, is it 1 or half past 1? I'll double check. But I think I have an appointment at 1. And then this morning I should be making my way to my hair appointment around 12, half past latest, because Dr. Prue is the lady who does my hair. Yay, don't cheater. But at least I've already paid, so I have secured my appointment. Currently 9 o'clock. It's a Saturday, by the way. Saturday the 23rd? Yeah, Saturday the 23rd of May. Ooh, public transport. I did my laundry yesterday, so I just wanna take it down before I can leave. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. I'm truly washing me, requesting Uber, and also I need cash, so I have to start at the mall. Okay, cool. Let's get that done before we are late, because I'm on track regarding iskati. I'm really trying to be a punctual person these days, because saying him dala, I need to start behaving like dala who respect iskati, not just the Sami but the Sabanya Bantu. So let's go. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing these pants from Mr. Price. They are wide-legged, and I'm wearing this topish. But and then I'm wearing these white sneakers. My whole outfit is from Mr. Price except shoes. Don't remember where I bought the shoes from, but yeah, let us go to Tuluwashi. At this point, calling ambitious records, because I guess I was too ambitious. My laundry isn't dry yet, so I guess Nyahamba leaving it on the washing line. Sorry? Johnny? Stay. I've successfully withdrawn cash from the mall. I don't know why I'm using the exit I'm unfamiliar with. I'm literally walking down the parking lot, but I can more or less see there's lights at the end of the tunnel. Alrighty, yeah, guys, let's go. I'm going to get a taxi to Josie, and then from there I still need to get one go. That's this place from Josie to Dragon City. I don't think he's talking about it, but things are right, man. I'm a smart girl. What if I eat a make a piece of so say. Hey guys, I'm back home. It's later on in the day, like way later on in the day. It's around past 7 or so, and I've been back home for a minute now. I've even changed into comfortable clothes and found my slippers in Pumlili. I just ordered food. I didn't just order food. I just received the food from the delivery guy, and I'm about to feast and take a shower. I'll take a shower after and for like an hour. Find something to watch. There's a lot of girlies that are vlogging. Find something to watch, take a shower, and then go to bed. I want to go to church tomorrow. So the best thing for me to do for myself is to ensure that I have an outfit ready, like an eye and everything before I go to bed, so that I know I just shower, get ready, and I haven't been to church in a minute. But yeah, tomorrow is the day I'm gonna go to church. I got an All-Star box laid out. But I should have just bought myself Chinese food because I really like Chinese food. But this is my comfort restaurant store chain. What? KFC is my favorite. It's my comfort place. It's my default place. That's what I'm trying to say. But makukiwe sana makukiwe. Peace. Excuse my name, but peace. it. Mousse. Sharp. Ngaze nganikhohlakalela kalihukubisa maobane ke I'm going to do my hair kalibonsa process ya teng kalibonsa eng, and then now I'm not showing you guys the final product ke stoked. So I did this thing can actually go higher. Okay, so I did a sew in. I don't like this lighting, but it is what it is. So it's just a sew in with a part and then leave out mobile. Yeah, it's 20 inches. I don't know how I feel about the hair yet. Let me wear it for like a week, and then probably on the next vlog how exactly do I feel about this hair, because into reds, man, into reds. You know, it's nice. The texture is nice and all, but I just need to wear it out. How does it stand the test of time? Anyway, I'm the one who's standing the test of time, because lady, I need to go to the mall. I have this tendency of going to the mall on Sundays very late, and then when I get to the shops and they close, I'm like, oh my god. So it's in Hambeni, it's past 3 now. And I'm sure by morning I have a 5, so I have a whole list. Luckily I've done my list already in Zixeni. Let's go, guys. Out and about, out like the lights.
Johnny?
Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to this vlog. I just came back from the mall. Wait, man, can I stand? Let me get my stand. Yeah, let me go a bit by you. As I was saying, hi, welcome back, I'm back. This thing, okay, it's much better. Alrighty, I'm back from the mall. Yo, I'm tired. So the plan was to be at the mall for like an hour tops. It didn't work out. I ended up being at the mall for like 2+ hours. Yo, that doesn't make sense because it wasn't even that full. Like being at all, I'd be lying if being nutty. Oh, the queues are long. Oh, this, that. It's just me. Now I'm tired. Whew. Damn, I'm sorry. I'm back home. I'm changing to my new pajamas. I think, was it on this vlog where I was complaining because I don't have winter PJs? I do now. And I decided to put in. What is this? I decided to put in my pajama. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought at the mall. It was outside of pieces of clothing items. It was just a weekly grocery top up because I didn't buy monthly grocery things except for eggs. Yeah, I bought 30 eggs though. Guys, I'm a lover of eggs. Okay. Anyway, I don't wanna sleep too late today. It's a Sunday. Did I tell you guys it's a Sunday? It's a Sunday. If I did, I'm just emphasizing it's a Sunday. Yeah, I need to be in bed by latest 10. No, can I? Because right now, keep on my 7 has to sharpie. I know that much. 7 has to sharpie. So if I can give myself about 2 hours, I can do a lot. Prepare outfit yakausani. I need to wash my face off because things and beans and plenty. But I felt so good. Also, just a side note, I hadn't done my makeup for so long. The only thing I've been consistently doing was my eyebrows. I've been looking at every day, each and every day, being to Bishia. But then I took a break from makeup because I was focusing on like getting my skin into a better condition because I used to have acne. Like I would just have breakouts all the time, and I figured at the time it was makeup because since varsity I've been a makeup girly. Even after that, when I started working, like my first job, I'd wear makeup every day. I think for the first 2 years, because I worked there for 3 years, and then I think so. And then point is, I used makeup for a long time, and then I decided to stop to try to take care of my skin. I did that, and then I got comfortable in my skin. But now I want to go back into makeup because like anyway, I'm rambling a lot, but moral of the story is I want to get back into makeup. So I went to Clicks just to, was it Clicks or Discount? Clicks, yes, just to see hore the price of makeup guy, because it's been a while since I bought makeup or not. But today I just did a basic makeup look, and I feel like I did well, outside of the fact that I didn't use any foundation. Also, I don't have makeup brushes. Hey, the brushes I use today are brushes I've had since varsity. I'm judging so that I can make a change. And these are the things that I bought, and then prepare for, I'm not gonna film that. I'm not gonna show you guys preparing for the outfit for kusasa. What I can do is close off the vlog tomorrow after I show you guys my outfit of the day. Preparing. Yeah, ke tla bona. Ke kgathetse. If I was a child, I'd be throwing a tantrum so bad right now. But ngumuntu omdala. Like, ngimdala, and it's socially unacceptable to do such things. taste of this baby girl. Imnandi, hey, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it again. If someone buys it for me, I will enjoy it. But I saw the eating Imaliam. I am closing off this vlog as shame. Say good right. I need to start a weekend vlog because I'm gonna be doing some stuff with my friend. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.